The Cloud Codec controller is a game changer. All it takes is the talent to plug into any form of IP connectivity, and the studio has got full control.
Cloud Codec Controller is a Windows and Mac OS piece of software that allows for managing your Tieline audio codec fleet. You can control anything from the connection settings to the volume to how the interface is operating as a whole without being in front of the unit. So whether it's 50 miles away or 100, we can control that unit remotely now with Cloud Codec Controller.
Not only is it utilized for full remote control, but also for managing and monitoring your whole fleet of codecs. So essentially you have full network monitoring, management and control of all of your fixed installations.
Cloud Codec Controller was designed to be used for overworked engineers. We always kept getting those calls of engineers having to travel 100, 200 miles for remote or for an STL, where they just simply wished they had full remote control of the unit.
You know, with engineers being spread so thin nowadays, it's nice because it doesn't mean I necessarily have to be on site, because once the codec is connected, you can monitor everything. It's transparent to the users, and it's just fantastic.
Now with the Cloud Codec controller, the engineer has visibility of that codec and can drill down and control it fully.
Where Cloud Codec Controller really shines is you no longer have to train reporters on how to use the equipment.
There's many times as an engineer, I'm at the station and I'm listening to a broadcast, and you can just hear the talent, okay, you need to turn your mic down. And with the Cloud Codec Controller, I can be monitoring and turn it down without even being on site. I don't have to pick up the phone and call and say turn it down. As an engineer, it will save me time, make the broadcast sound better. It's got a lot of potential. I'm excited to see a product like this.